Today, we live in an era of greener is better. There's been a major focus of reducing our footprint on the environment from individuals to governments and corporations. And one company that was at the forefront of this long before it was mainstream, Honda. The founder of Honda, Soichiro Honda, believed as early as the 1960s that the best reason to care for the environment today is so we can have blue skies for our children tomorrow. This phrase became the mantra for Honda associates to embrace on a daily basis. It's a cry that has ingrained itself into the culture and is a driving force behind Honda's sustainable business and manufacturing practices, as well as new-to-market products. One early example of this was the introduction of CVCC, which stands for Compound Vortex Controlled Combustion, in this little car, the Honda Civic. It arrived in North America during a fuel crisis, and Canadians embraced this little car that made a huge impact. In fact, the Civic is so loved by Canadians, it's gone on to become the best-selling passenger car in Canada for 20 consecutive years. Fast forward to the 1990s, and Honda was the very first auto manufacturer to introduce a hybrid into the North American market, the Insight. This was a car like nothing we'd seen before. It looked futuristic and proved that a small three-cylinder engine married to a battery electric system could produce impressive fuel economy. With optimized aerodynamics and a lightweight aluminum structure, it maximized fuel efficiency and minimized emissions, paving the way for the mass adoption of hybrids. Those are just a few of the massive steps made by Honda over the years. Now, buyers can benefit from blue skies for our children because Honda has committed to reducing greenhouse gas emissions from vehicles, motorcycles, ATVs, and power equipment by 30% by 2020 compared to 2000 levels. A perfect example is the engines used in the two most popular Honda vehicles sold today, the CR-V and the Civic. By using a small 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, fuel economy is improved, CO2 is reduced, but power and driving fun is improved compared to the model sold just a few years ago. More power with less is easy for consumers to get behind. And one company can make a big difference because Honda makes the most engines in the world, not just cars and motorcycles, but boat engines and other equipment too. Even before the iconic Honda Civic arrived on our shores all those years ago, the foundation for a greener future had already been set, and we benefit from greener products thanks to continuous improvement.